guys, so quick tip on the serpentine belt for the this 2017 Toyota Sienna with the 3.5 engine. So I removed the 210s right here for the plastic, you know, the cover goes right here. I got it behind on me, so I just get it off, and I'm using a 17 right here. Let me get it off right there, 17, and then that's how you release tension on your belt. You know, I got the phone right now, but you just go like that, and then you can pull it from the tensioner belt right here, right there. And I already did, so I just, you know, want to record and give you a kind of small a couple tips on it. So that's how you remove the belt. Now I'm doing this because this engine, it has like the timing chain loose sound. So someone said that it was the timing probably slapping or loose, you know, grinding right on the timing cover. But I mean, I say it's too new. It's a 2017. It's not high mileage, so I don't think so it's gonna be the timing chain. So I went and pulled up the belt and check all the pulleys, and the pulley that was bad, it was this one right here, which it calls the idle pulley. This one right here. I can't really turn right now because now you can barely hear that noise like that. But so what I did is I know it's dark, but I mean, I just want to try to do my best. I removed the 10 nut right here, which is release the high pressure line on the AC. And then what I did is after loose this one right here, I just pull it to a side, you know, make some pressure to a side. You can see how far it went from there to there. So I did that, and what I did is I bring this big line, I pull it up, you know, I pull it up, not too much, but I pull it up a little bit, so I got enough room to get access to the auto pulley, which is, I mean, it's not gonna be easy to show you, but let me try. Let me see if I can show you what the pulley is. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you because, but you can see it probably. It's, let me get my hands into it. It's right here. Let me see, right there. Yeah, it's right there. That's the pulley right there. You see it black now because I changed, I put a new one. So what I did is I use this kind of combination as 3 inches extension, swivel 3 inches in a 14. This one should be a 14. Yeah, but I mean, I used that one over there. So it's a 14 that goes right here. And what I did is, let me see if I got it right here, right here. Yeah, so I got it right here. I used the 14 right there. And what I did is I went through here. I'm not sure if I can show you exactly what I did with one hand. So I went through in there, and then slide my other hand to align with that bolt right there. I can barely do with one hand right now, I think. So I just want to show what I did too, so you don't have to lose no water pipes or nothing like that. So I just went through like that. See right now, it's in there. Let me get the zoom in. See, it's in there. And then that's how I got him in there. You know, it's right there. I don't have no more light, so, but it's right there. See, and that's how I lose it, and that's how it looks like. See right there. That's how I got it loose. I used a pipe. I used this pipe right here to lose that one because that was tight. You lose that bolt to that way, and then after that, what I did is, I mean, the bolt and the pulley fell off on the floor, so that was easy to put it back. What I did is I pushed the bolt. Let me see if I can show you with this one. I pushed the bolt in here all the way, and what I did is I went through in here like that with the hole in the bolt, because now I got enough room to slide my pulley under, you know. So I went through in here like this with the pulley holding the bolt in here like that, and then I twisted a little bit and then let it sit right on the bracket where it goes. And then, you know, you have to have skinny hands to slide it in there, so you don't have to do a lot of, I mean, it won't be that hard to get it back in there. But see right there, so it was take your time to do it. And then if you need enough more room, you can push this line up, not too hard, but you got enough room to do it. Don't be scared to pull it enough. I mean, so you can gain room in there. Now I already got my belt on it. The way that I did my belt, it was I squeezed my belt like this, you know, like this way. I squeeze it in there and slide it all the way to the alternator, which is right here, you know. And then from here, slide my hand in here, you know, and let it sit right on it. I'm gonna put the picture right here, so you see how the belt goes. And then I put the belt first on the alternator, then go through to the idle pulley, the new idle pulley, and then to a water pump, and then goes back to the belt tensioner, and then goes back to a crankshaft pulley, and then end it on the AC pulley. But you will see that picture right there. So yeah, if you have any questions, you know, just leave in the comments. I'll do my best to respond, and I hope that little tips that I give you, it helps a lot. And remember, you don't have to remove the tie right there. So I just, you know, make that, because I'm not that big, so I make my room and then go in there. So now I just have to put the plastic back on, 210s, the little clip right there, and the 10 millimeter nut right there. Push my lines back, push this line back into it. You know, it won't be that hard, and it go through right on. So yeah, guys, so hope this helped, and I'll see you next time. Peace.